Hi everyone. In the previous session, we already built an FAQ bot directly from OECD website. Here are the questions and answers from the FAQ list. So we are going to test some of the questions. Let's see how the bot responds. So you see it responds correctly, but what if we use the abbreviation of the term country by country reporting, we replace with DBC report and see how it responds. It responds incorrectly because it picks up the action different than the knowledge connector. It takes the action from small talk user. So let's have a look at the training section. So here we see it pick up from the default fallback intent where there is no training phrase from the user, and this one also the same, pick up from the default fallback intent, and so we cannot do anything with the training here. So the possible way we can do is to come back to the knowledge. We come back to the knowledge connector, and we see here when we see here on the top there is a convert to intent. So we choose any question. We have this problem. We convert it into intent. So what does it mean? This means that this question will be converted into this one, and then we can manually train our bot for this question. The reason I want to convert it into the intent is because that I can use a synonym in the entity. So here let's first build the synonym for the country by country report. So I create the entity. Okay, so I start with the country by country, and I click enter. I have so I just enter the synonym for the term country by country report. And then I add the name for the entity is CBC, and then I click save, and then I come back to the intent. So here you see we have an extra intent converted from the knowledge connector. So in this intent we will give some training phrases to our bot so that it can understand. So here we already have one, so we can use this one, and yeah, so first, and then we report. So and then we help our bot to identify the entity in the speech from user. So previously we named this one as CBC, here. This one, CPC. Yeah. So whenever user ask about this question, it will give the response like this. So let's try again. So now I ask CPC report. You see, now we have the response correctly. Yeah, and now you can do the same for other questions. Just note here that we can only convert the question from this document which was generated from a website, not the one we uploaded from our laptop. So this is a limitation. So hope that in the future we can edit this one as well. That's it for now. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you in next section. Goodbye.